equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. You may also want to have a soft cloth handy for cleaning purposes. First, unplug your Rowenta RS2230 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so make sure it's completely disconnected. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum cleaner. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back cover off. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. With the cover off, you'll see the motor compartment. Take a moment to inspect the area for any dust or debris. A clean workspace is essential for a successful repair. Now, locate the motor. It's typically secured with a few screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver again, remove these screws. Be cautious as you do this. The motor may be tightly fitted. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any additional screws that may be holding it in place. Once the screws are out, gently disconnect the motor from the wiring harness. Take note of how the wires are connected, as you'll need to replicate this when installing the new motor. If you're unsure, consider taking a photo for reference. At this point, if you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Now, take your new motor and connect it to the wiring harness, ensuring that the connections match your earlier reference. Secure the motor in place with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure it's tightly fitted to avoid any issues during operation. Next, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it properly and press down gently until it clicks into place. Then, replace the screws you set aside earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely. Before you finish, take a moment to clean the internal components with your soft cloth. This will help maintain the efficiency of your vacuum cleaner. Finally, plug your Rowenta RS2230 back into the power source and test it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help without any pressure. If you need a quote before repair, don't hesitate to reach out. We are here to assist you with all your vacuum repair needs, ensuring you have a hassle-free experience. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.